What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we got a 2017 Civic 2.0 liter right here. We got Earth the Dream engine. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the PCV valve, that red looking thing right there. How to remove it and replace it. Something like that you should do every 30,000 miles. So the engine, if it burns oil. So this is show and tell video. So all you need is a 10 millimeter. I would get a gear wrench instead of ratchet, because you see how it hits there, or use a longer extension. But this 10 millimeter will just come off just like that. And then this 10 millimeter bolt is pretty long. Put it somewhere safe so you don't drop it. And after that, all you're gonna do is grab this little guy and you're gonna kind of pull it, twist it around and pull it out. Okay, make sure you don't break it, and you should have enough clearance to get this guy out of there, just like that. I don't know why they made this piece to be right next to it. There's a bolt here for the cam sensor, which is probably gonna cause a little bit of issue, but it'll be fine. So we got two little O-rings, put a little bit of oil all around them, and then get a new valve. This thing will probably be like 40 bucks from the dealer. Then what you want to do is you want to take this little guy. There's a part number right there too if you guys need. There's a part number right there. You could pause the video and take a look right there. Anyways, you're gonna take this new part, gonna get it in there, and you should feel like a little slap. You see that? You hear that? And then you take your 10 millimeter bolt here and it goes in. Now clockwise, you're gonna just lock up that little bolt, hand tight, 3 foot-pounds or less, or a little bit more, just hand tight, and that's it, nothing else. That's how quickly it is to change this baby. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. Same procedure for 18, 19, 20, 21, long as it's a 2.0 Earth Dream engine. 2016 and up is the same procedure.